So you had your business coach taught you this, is write down what you love and what you're good at, what you don't like but you're still good at, and what you hate and you're bad at. And in doing so, it was a good practice for you because you learned what you wanted to delegate because you don't like doing it and you're not good at doing it, and you could find somebody else to do it. But one of the coolest parts about your firm is that there will be, and I'll let you, there will be somebody who's like bad at going to trial, right? Or appearing in court, but he's really good at building up a case. And then there's, this other woman who works for you, and she's really good at going to trial. And so they'll work together. One person will build the case, the other person will go to trial. And in that way, everybody's doing what they're good at. Everybody's, happy. They're happier for having done it. And you sort of reap the benefits. So tell me more about how you would go about implementing something like that, even though I just covered a lot of it, but I'm excited. I read the book. I'm sorry.
Nick, you did a good job explaining it. I guess the best way I can explain it, and I haven't been asked about this in a while, but I do, and this is not something I've made up, but I believe that everybody has a unique ability. And their sweet spot, something that they're great at. But the best part is finding that and finding out something, and if you love to do that. And if those two things merge, why wouldn't I have somebody doing that all the time? So I have a lawyer who's amazing at trial. He loves taking depositions. He loves working up the cases. The juries love him. And he's a good lawyer day to day. But this was his sweet spot, and this is what he loved to do. Why not let him try all the cases in the office, or a lot of the cases in the office? I have a woman who works for me who, after 25 years, was burnt out of doing depositions, burnt out of doing trials, didn't want to do it anymore. But she loves settling cases. She was very personable. She's very knowledgeable. She's very trustworthy and honest. She loved the defense attorneys and the adjusters. And she said, let me come into your firm, Michael, and all I want to do is settle cases for you. Make the firm money. Close them. She's my closer. That's all she does. I don't know another firm in the country that has a person and then all they do is settle cases. Maybe there's other firms. I'm sure that there are. I'd love to hear from them. They want to send me an email. But anyway, those are two examples. There's a lot more. Because there's people who just want to write, who just want to research. And then there's law firms out there who make them do everything, even though they suck at certain things. I don't want people who suck. I want people who are working in the spot that they love and that they're great at. I do that for myself. And when you have extra time, you do other things that make you happy and that make the firm happy, or, that make your husband or wife happy, or boyfriend or girlfriend or kids or whatever. If you follow my model, if you follow the fireproof model, you will have more time on your hands to do other things. I promise you that. Money back guarantee. But it's what you do with that extra time that's the important thing. Some people want to work harder. Some people want to go out and get more cases. Some people want to, play more golf or spend more time with their children or travel. The beautiful thing is you get to pick. So I've seen this time and time again from the people that I've coached through Fireproof, well before the book was published, that this is all true. This has happened. And it's happened not just in the legal business. It's happened for dentist friends, architect friends, builder friends. I have a sound guy who does sound. He's changed his entire life because of these 5 steps that I put in the book. So I've seen it work. It works, and hopefully your audience will get a lot out of it and be able to free themselves up to work in their sweet spot.